Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the 11th exercise of chapter 8. This is the word separator program. This program prompts the user to enter a sentence in which all of the words are run together but the first character of each word is uppercase. Then the program converts the sentence to a string in which the words are separated by spaces and only the first word starts with an uppercase letter. It means that the sentence would be capitalized. For example, the string stop and smell the roses would be converted to capitalized sentence stop and smell the roses. Let's write the program. So first of all, prompt the user to enter a sentence. Create a variable sentence and set this equal input. Enter a sentence. After this, initialize an empty string to store the result. So create a variable formatted string, formatted sentence, and set this equal empty string. After this, use the for loop to iterate through each character in the input sentence. So for I in range length of sentence, this loop will iterate length of sentence times, and in this loop at the each iteration check for the uppercase letter to add space before the uppercase letter mean the starting of new word. So use an if statement. If I greater than 0 mean if the index is greater than 0, not the first index, because we will not add the space at the very start of the sentence. If I greater than 0 and sentence and character at index I of sentence dot is upper, then place a space before the new word starts. So set formatted string plus equal space. Now after this outside the if statement set formatted sentence plus equal character at the index I of sentence. Formatted sentence plus equal character at the index I of sentence. It means we are adding the current character to the resulting string, and at last outside the loop capitalize this formatted sentence. So set formatted sentence equal formatted sentence dot capitalize. This will capitalize the sentence, and at last display the formatted sentence. So print formatted sentence is Sentence stored in the formatted sentence variable. Now run the program. Enter a sentence. Stop and smell the roses. Formatted sentence is roses. There is an error because program is not giving the correct results. There is a mistake. Here set formatted string plus equal empty string. Now run the program. Enter a string. Stop and smell the roses. Now the formatted sentence is stop and smell the roses, which is correct. You can run again. Enter your name without spaces. Muhammad Asif Khan, and it gives us the Muhammad Asif Khan, space after the first name and space after the middle name.